Advanced Tips with Daryl.
Hi guys, I'm here to show you how to properly clean your keyboard. So here we have some CRC 556. It's got advanced lubrication. That's always good. Lubrication stops squeaks and displaces moisture. Who knows what that means? So here we've got some Litan SPF 30 Plus mist spray for little kids, and we're using that on the keyboard as well. We're also cleaning with ammonia. That's piss, if you didn't know. And yeah, it's pine. And we're also using Paragon. Sounds pretty crazy. Kills strong odors fast. That's for my shit stains on the keyboard, as you can see. And yeah. I've got some bleach regular here, Woolworths home brand, and I've actually used that to bleach my asshole. Hi guys, I just got back. I just got this order from Amazon, $37 for a new brush. Yeah. And I'm stoked. Okay, so now I've explained to you the products that you need to clean your keyboard. So I'm just going to use this damp cloth that I found. Actually, I think we need something more heavy duty. I think I'm just going to use this clean brush I've just found. Just get in there, just scrub all that dirt out, and I think that is done for the moment. So now we'll be using the Litan liquid cleaning power at your hands, and so we'll just spray a little bit of that on there, and just clean all that excess dirt off. And that's good. I forgot what I'm going to say. So now we're on to the harsh bleaching stage, so we need to be very careful with this. So just pour a little dab onto that, just put that back, and then we'll just give that a good little rub, just delicately, just don't want to break. Oh, fuck. Okay, so now we've finished the bleach stage. We're actually moving on to the odor control stage. Paragon. It's kills strong odors fast. It's non-toxic and biodegradable. Always look for that one. And yeah, we'll just spray a little bit of that on it. Just get there in between the keys. It's a bit wind. It's getting in my face, but that's alright. Just really try to get all that grit out of there. And that is a clean keyboard ready to use. What am I saying? Finished the cleaning stage, and as you can see, it's all clean. There's no dirt anywhere. And I'm going to show you on the next video how to enable macros. So I'll see you next time, and I'm off to game.